How to make the best grits in America, at least in my opinion. It's like 32 ounces of water, 4 cups of water, salt your water to taste, bring to a rapid boil. Make sure you got a wooden spoon. That's my wooden spoon. 1 cup of grits. 1 cup of grits. Some Land O'Lakes garlic and herb butter. And cream cheese. Look, it's cream cheese. Cream cheese. So it's boiling, it's boiling. Go ahead and dump your grits in once it's rolling, boiling. Dump your grits in. And then you want to stir. Then you want to stir. And stir. And stir. And keep stirring. And this is just standard. This is just quick grits. Quick grit. Okay. So it's going to try to raise up on you. That's why you want the wooden spoon. Take it off the heat and reduce the heat down to simmer. To simmer. And just keep stirring. Keep stirring. And you keep stirring. Don't stop stirring. Now these are 5 minutes grits. So what I do is I do this. Hey Google, set timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Starting now.
And I keep stirring. I never stop stirring. You gotta keep stirring. And you're gonna stir for 4 minutes. I'll be back. And we are still stirring. Again, you want to stir so they don't get stuck at the bottom. As you can see, they're coming together nicely. Coming together nicely. I used a little bit too much water for mine, but it's okay. That's okay. All right. And then it's about almost 4 cups of water to 1 cup of grits. Stop. So that's our 4 minutes, right? That's our 4 minutes. You keep it on simmer, let it do its thing. And then you grab your garlic and herb butter. Garlic and herb butter. Hold on. All right, so I'll put about a spoonful, a tablespoonful in there. All right. And we're mixing and mixing. I'm making grits. Somebody wanted me to show them how I make my grits. Mm-hmm. Right. So look. So right. So the secret ingredient, as I told you, look. Cream cheese. That's the secret ingredient. This is the thing no one seems to know about when it comes to making great grits. Philadelphia cream cheese. Hold on. So there it is. We got the cream cheese in there doing its thing. Now we're going to stir. We're going to stir a lot. I'll be back. And that's that. So, look. Oh, I ain't got nothing to hold my camera, so. But just to show you, watch this. Look. Look at that. Look at how creamy they are. Now they'll set a little bit. I like to let them set off heat for about 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. That way they can set. So you can use this with your shrimp, your grits and catfish, shrimp and grits. No hard grains. The secret is stirring and the cream cheese. Now what happened is that when your water comes to a boil and you put your grits in, it's going to try to load up on you. If you see a lot of people make grits, they'll have them on a stove and the water will boil over and make a mess everywhere with the grits. What you want to do is take it off heat while stirring, reduce the heat to simmer, right? To simmer. And when the water comes down, then you put it back on the heat and get to stirring. But as you can see, look at that. Look at it. And then you can pepper or hot sauce to taste. But the cream cheese definitely makes a difference, guys. Definitely makes a difference. And that's how you make America's best grits. Let me know in the comments. Peace.